What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode video. So I'm going to share with you guys a very interesting way you can start making money 100% free. Now all you have to do for me is to make sure to join the Telegram community channel, and then you're going to be able to get all the information about this website day to day. So as a free student, I started a challenge on my community channel where I get to drop different updates for you guys. All right, and these updates are basically 100% free, and these are something we're going to be doing. We are starting to grow from $0 to about $50. Now we don't actually need any money invested before we start making money. All right, so currently we are using CoinPayU, and we have been able to generate an amount of money from CoinPayU. So if you're watching this video right now, I'll provide a link of CoinPayU for you guys in the description. I'll also provide the link of the Telegram channel community for you guys in the description. All you have to do for me is to like this video, comment down below if you want to join the community, if you also want to participate in the challenge that we're currently on right now. I want everybody to make money, so stick around as we're basically going to start this right now. If you want to join in, links are provided. Join in right now and let's start making money. Alright guys, so the website we're going to be using today is called Toncoin. Alright, you're basically seeing the name right over here, and we're going to be focusing on this website because it's very easy to use, and at the same time this is 100% free. Alright, now I've already started using my account right over here. If you check right over here, you're going to notice that I've actually started using my account, and I've also started earning some points of Toncoin in my balance right over here. All right, now if you want to actually earn more coin, here are some simple things you need to basically do. First of all, there are survey sessions which are provided for you, which you can basically get to earn from it. So you can take surveys to earn more amount, about $0.44 for 20 minutes, $0.43 for 20 minutes, and you can see other surveys which are still provided right over here, which you can participate on. Now the more you get to upgrade your level, the more you get to earn free Toncoin daily. Now this is something you basically need to know. Every single day, if you come to your own account right over here, you have options to basically like claim free amount of Toncoin into your balance in the next 1 hour. All right, so every one hour you can set a timer. Every one hour you can come over and claim free Toncoin. Now let me quickly do a free Toncoin for you guys. Let me claim for the next 1 hour so you can basically see right now. All right, so I'm just going to like do a recap chart right over here, and then once I'm done with the recap chart, then I'll be able to like claim free Toncoin. All right, so after completing my verification, I'll click on this, and you'll notice that my balance right over here gets to increase. Now the timer automatically start loading out for me, and you can see right now that in the next 1 hour I'll have to come back and still claim more. Now imagine if you are able to upgrade your level from the stone level up to the platinum level or the master level. The master level, you get to earn 1 Toncoin every single day, and if you are earning 1 Toncoin every single day, that means every 24 hours you're expected to generate at least 24 Toncoin into your account. Now it depends on how serious you take the project and how fast you basically want to work with it. All right, so let me quickly show you guys something. Now for you to actually get to increase your level, you can basically see this is 1% of my level right here. For you to upgrade your level, for you to be able to like generate more points to upgrade your level, you have to play games. Now these are the games which are provided, and this dice game is very simple to play. All right, so you can manually drag this. Make sure to hide the red side so that it will not be exposed. That is something that can actually lead to you losing money on this particular section right here. All right, and on this spot, on this space right here, you can type in the amount you want to use to play. All right, so you can basically like type in the amount you want to use to play, and then you can click on to roll dice. Now you can see where this actually lands. If I left this space a little and it lands on the red, I'm automatically losing my balance. All right, if you check right down below here, you're going to notice that I currently have some points which I have actually won. All right, so you can see right here, this is my history right here. This is the profit amount that I've actually generated from this particular game that I just played. All right, so you can get to like play these games and make money from it, and 100% is free. You don't need to pay any money for it. Now for instance, I want to share with you guys a very simple trick you need to apply to your own account. If you play on the dice once, you have to leave the dice, go for other games. If you know any other game right over here, especially this one right here, if you can go to other games, you can go to other games and then go and play once, right? You can play them like two times, and if you secure profit, leave them for the next 1 hour. When you come for your first set again, and then you get to play again. So if you come to the mine session right here, you can set it up, input the amount, you can also get to read about them, and you can see the rules right over here, and then the fairness, every single thing you basically need to know. Now once you read about this, you go through it, and all you have to basically do is to play the game according to the fairness, and that is basically all. Now there are several ways you can make money from this particular website. Like I told you, this website is here to help you to earn free Toncoin, all right? And for you to make money from the faucet is number one. For you to play game is number two. And then the next way is survey, which is number three, all right? Now, the surveys that are available right here, depending on the time and also the location, all right? So you have to answer surveys not based on your country or anything. You have to basically get smart with the surveys before you can actually start answering surveys on this kind of project. All right. So if you see surveys available for you, you have to take those surveys serious, and you have to apply the skills that you basically have to answer surveys. You can go and learn how to answer surveys. It's very simple. Now, the last opportunity you can use to make money from here, there are actually still two. All right. That is why I say this particular project offers you multiple opportunities to make money. Now, if you come to the affiliate space right over here, you have to refer friends. And by you referring friends, you don't actually need to spend money. They don't even need to invest anything into the project. All you basically need to do right over here is to refer them, teach them how to play the game. If they get busy with the game, they make money, you also make money, because every single game they play right here, you earn a referral commissions from that. Now for the faucet session, right, where they get to claim free faucet every single day, you earn 50%. Now if they get to play game, earn 0.4%, because game actually gives you more percentage, all right? And for surveys you earn 5%. So imagine if you get to invite people that are serious in working with faucet game and surveys, you are going to be generating more percent right here, and you can also get to share your percentage with your community. All right, so anybody that is basically working under you can also get to earn percentage with your own community, and that is why this particular project is very interesting. Now the last way you can get to make money from here, that like I told you, is basically the contest section. Now if you get to invite people, all right, you can basically participate in their contest and see each of the rewards that are being given out are all mentioned right here. All right, so a lot of people are making huge amount of money from here. Like I told you, this particular project can pay you very well as long as you are very good at it. So these are the rewards that are being sent out, and you can see ranking numbers which are all provided right over here. So you can participate in their contest and generate profit from it. Now if this kind of project is something you want to give a try, I'll leave the link for you guys in the description. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, thumbs up, and make sure to basically do every single thing that I'm just sharing with you guys right now. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below if this is very helpful to you, and I wish you guys all the best. Peace out, guys.